What about that hole down there in front of you with that front right tire? That front tire is just kind of gonna dive in. You just need a rock under that front tire. I'm sorry. Careful. There you go. Keep. Hold on. Just hold. Hold. That'll help. You're pretty steep. What's the passenger side fairing look like? Yeah.
I think you're doing good. Come on, buddy. Take some of that blood, little. Okay, come. I think we gotta put something right.
Yeah, in that hole. Yep. When it comes down.
Big rock.
Almost kick that other one with your foot. Can you kick that one by your shin?
Huh?
That one by your shin, can you push it in?
No, I don't want to move this one.
Oh, okay.
I think you're all right. Let me look here just to make sure I think. I think you're going to come off pretty good.
Here we go. Oh, there's your back bumper. Yep, you're okay. You're already in. Now you're going to go up again. And now you're going to come back down again. Because you're going to come right off that rock. Now you're done. You're clear. Just watch over that rock right there. So you don't cut in. Good.